on, guys? So we have left Windrock, Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and we're on our way home. But we couldn't go home without stopping by our good guys over at Rusty's Off-Road Products. So we got a hold of Rusty, and he's in the office because he never leaves the office.
Yeah, that's true.
So we're going to make a little pit stop and check out what he's been up to and what he has going on, and just make a little fun trip out of it.
Yep, should be a good time, man. Rusty's always a great host. We love going by, hanging out with him, catching up on some new products and seeing what he's got in the mill, see what he's working on, and just hang out and have a good time, shoot the breeze. Always look forward to it. Looking forward to it now, and you know, he does spend a lot of time in his office working. You know, a lot of us business owners, that's what we do. Some of us are like Mr. Steve here, and get out and get to do all kinds of things. So we get a chance to see each other. We go out and we go do what we got to do. But, you know, every once in a while I get out, get the chance to wheel my rig and have fun. And you know, this weekend the Windrock was one of those examples where I finally got to get out.
Yeah, you did. And you wheeled it.
I wheeled it.
But another cool thing is Mike's LJ hasn't seen Rusty's shop in a while, so
it's got a lot of.
It's cool to.
Yeah, it'd be cool to get it back on. Yeah, get it back on. Get it back to. It's got a lot of Rusty stuff on it. The last time it was up here,
you had his prototype on it.
I got a lot of prototype stuff. Yeah, I got a prototype lift kit. The TJ inner fenders are prototypes. The outer fenders are prototypes. So it was. She was a Fitbit guinea pig for a lot of stuff, but so yeah, it'd be the first time she's been back in quite some time.
Made them look nice in front of her.
Maybe I can get me another prototype lift kit.
Hey.
Maybe get me some prototype 1-ton axles.
Or maybe, you know, I got a YJ that you know, might need some stuff.
Let's talk about me.
But yeah, guys, so that's where we're at. That's where we're going. It's roughly about a 2.5 hour drive, give or take. So we're gonna go make a little swoop over there. Does add a little time to our time back home, but you know, it's all good. It's all about the journey. So we're gonna have a good time over there and catch up with it. So let's take it easy and enjoy. Hey, what's going on, guys? So we're at Rusty's Off-Road Products. It's located over in Rainbow City, Alabama. Had to make a little quick pit stop, pick up some parts, and visit with Rusty for a little bit. But yeah, check this out. Pretty sweet shop. Mike wearing that adventure wheeling and grilling shirt. Look at that. Jeremy, you'd be proud of him. We're here.
We're here.
What's going on, guys? So I'm here with the man himself, Rusty, over at Rusty's Off-Road Products. Guys, if you don't know about him, or if you don't know about his products, I don't know where you've been living. Maybe underneath a rock or something. But I run his full suspension, also the steering, and I absolutely love it. As you guys know, I take my stuff off-road. I overland with it. It has the rooftop tent and everything else. We went to Moab, and I didn't have an issue with it. So I know a lot of guys, a lot of professional guys that run all of his stuff. So if you get a chance, if you don't know him, definitely look at his products. But I just want to take the time, and man, I appreciate you letting us come over here and show us your shop and have some fun with it.
We appreciate you coming over. And got this guy here. I've been selling him parts for a long time.
Oh yeah.
And
yeah, Mike's been a dedicated
loyal fan for sure. We
for sure.
We definitely enjoy his products. Well, it's the pricing and the durability, the strength, the overall product it's just the best bang for the buck. I don't say that to Rusty because he's here. The proof's in the pudding. Like I said, with yours, my own, several countless other lifts that we've put on for different people. Nothing but smiling faces. The steering systems, the fenders. I've got one of the earliest prototype TJ inner fenders, and if you knock the mud off of them, they still look brand new. And certainly we've installed other inner fenders on TJs and JKs and JLs, but I've never seen an inner fender, especially for the TJ, that fits as well as this one. Everything's right there, so you can put it on there, put your fuse box back on there if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. If you don't want to put your horn on, you don't have to. It's just everything about it is great. Just love his products, always have. And Rusty's one of us, guys. He goes out on wheels just like the rest of them.
Oh yeah. When did you start?
77.
1977. I think you got a clue on what's going on.
I hope so. If I don't need to give it up one time ago.
And Jeep specific, guys. He's not building lift kits for Fords. He's not building lift kits for Chevrolets. He's Jeep specific.
And that's I guess that's the biggest thing too. It's all Jeep specific. So, guys, again, you got a chance. If you ever see this guy out, just say hey to him. He'll talk to you.
Please do.
Take it easy, guys. Hey guys, what's going on? So we're at the last stretch. Got about 3.5 hours to go. We're still in Georgia. It was pretty fun stopping by and seeing.
Yeah, Rusty's always a good time. What a great guy. He's always been there to help or advice or whatever you need. Just again, you'll hear me toting on him all the time and bragging on him all the time, but he really and truly is a good guy. Definitely enjoy hanging out with him, learning things, getting products, picking up customer parts in my case. just coming in, hanging out. And his whole crew's the same way. Austin, Miss Amy, his wife's. Of course, Tony works there as well. And Tony, his son. It's a family-run business, and it's just great people, all around great people.
They're busy,
and they stay busy. All of them. He has UPS trailers parked on the property. You might have seen them in the videos that we had. Parked on the property, where he's constantly loading stuff into the and there's actually a guy that showed up while we were there. I don't know if you guys saw it or if we were filmed it, but it's a male guy, and he comes in with his Jeep. He literally picks up all the small products that are boxed up, that are shipped via this regular mail. And I think that's the only thing he does, is just basically pick that stuff up, haul it back to the big mail place, and come back and get more.
Oh, yes, he was full.
He drives a Jeep, and he's just back
It was
and forth.
completely full. I don't think I got it. I mean, it might have been on tape, but I don't think I got it. But it was literally full. I mean, I was like, "Are you kidding me?" Like,
so all the stuff that goes via mail, he was picking it up. He had a little shopping cart. He come around with a shopping cart, loaded it full, put it all in the Jeep, and then hauled butt. It was pretty funny.
Well, we get there, and Rusty is in the shipping department.
Just shipping.
Shipping.
That's what he's
like.
doing.
He's in there making sure that all the products are going out.
Getting everything loaded up into the UPS trailers. So the bigger stuff obviously goes UPS, and the smaller stuff, maybe a bushing bearing or something small like that will go USPS. But yeah, he's always. I've been in there and seen him flip up a welded helmet to say hi. I've been in there and had to go into his office to say hi, and I've actually been in there and had to go into his house, which his house is right next door to his shops, and say hi to him in there. He's all over the place in there. He does everything. He does spend most of his time now in the shipping department, making sure that everybody's getting what they need. And shipping right now, of course, is a mess, and things aren't coming. And that's the one area that is, whether his fault or whatever, just the way things are right now. That's the hot spot, so he stays in there and tries to put all those fires out. But
the problem is it's everywhere, man.
It is everywhere.
I have a Prime membership, and I remember when I used to get Prime in one day.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I think I'm getting it in 3 now. You know what I mean? So it's like...
I mean, before the COVID thing, or before, leave politics out of it, but before things went the way they've gone, when I would order something from Rusty on Monday, and it could be a pallet of some things, I could order 2 or 3 lift kits, whatever we needed, and it would be there Wednesday, Thursday at the latest. So, and you're right, it's across. It's not just across this industry; it's across all industries.
It's everywhere.
You can't get saltine crackers at the daggone Publix. So,
But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the videos. We had a hell of a time.
It's always a good time.
We had a hell of a time.
Windrock, you can't go wrong. We might be a little drunk on sugar, M&Ms and M&Ms, Gatorade, and Buc-ee's.
Yeah, we had to stop out at Buc-ee's again, and Mike actually spent a little money there.
I did spend a little money there this time because my girl needs. I want to bring her home something, and so I actually spent a little money there, but I spent most of it on her, for her, I should say. So I don't feel too bad. But yeah, that place, it's definitely a place that you can go into to get a candy bar and leave $100 lighter in your pocket if you and a bag full of snacks.
Real quick.
That's for sure.
Real quick.
That's for sure.
Not counting the gas.
Not counting the fuel.
But yeah, we had a good time, and it's always a good time spending some time with you, Mike.
Oh, I love it, man.
Appreciate it, man. Like I said, you invited me on this trip. Got that Jeep up there.
Well, you definitely did that for us. We definitely had a good time. And after the trip to Moab that you invited me on, I felt kind of obligated to take you out on this one. So, I just kidding. It's always a good thing. That's the way it is. I know it's messed up the way it is.
Yeah.
Nah, for real. It's a good time, and I thank you for getting me up there, and the old Gladiator got us up there, got us back.
Guys, I'll say it again. Until next time, enjoy.
Keep the M&Ms up and your feet in the mud. Y'all have a good one.
Later.